Hello everyone, this is Chris from JC Chinese. I'm a native Chinese speaker. In this video, we are going to learn HSK Level 1 Chinese vocabularies and example sentences. I will read it in Chinese 3 times. Please listen carefully and read after me. Okay, let's get started. 多少多少多少这个多少钱？这个多少钱？这个多少钱？几几几你家有几个人？你家有几个人？你家有几个人？怎么？怎么？怎么？你怎么在这儿？你怎么在这儿？你怎么在这儿？怎么样？怎么样？怎么样？最近怎么样？最近怎么样？最近怎么样？一我每天早上喝一杯牛奶。我每天早上喝一杯牛奶。我每天早上喝一杯牛奶。
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。